Today I want to say that I have these trains for sale, and I'm going back to eBay to buy and sell, so we can get more trains to fix and restore. And I was browsing online on eBay, checking every character's items price, and they are skyrocketed. I mean, the prices are going up because I stopped selling and buying and selling on eBay on January, and today we are in September, so I'm going back to eBay. Anyways, it looks like everything has been changed up. So we have this Percy right here. It's in really good condition. I did a little touch up. Everything is clean inside. Some of these trains have been fixed, others with new gear, grease gear, a little touch up. Here we have Rusty. Okay, I have Arthur. Remember, the prices are high. You can go check other sellers' price. They are really high. For me, I mean, I used to sell them for really low price, but everything has been increased. So we have here Fling. Does not include the back car, but it's running good. I have this Dodge. I touch up a little bit the nose. It's common on these trains, and everything the rest looks clean except the corners right here. Okay, the next one is Victor. You can see a little bit somewhere of here, and I changed the sticker windows all around here, but not the front. Working good. I have this Harvey and the motorized coach. Everything's working good. I check everything. Perfect order. The only bad thing is that the stickers looks like they are yellowing. I will not replace them because they're good. Then we have Talking James. It's in good condition too, for sale. I repeat and I'll say it again. Go to eBay, check for example this train, and check the prices for the items that have been sold from other sellers, and the ones that are active right now. Some are a low price and other ones are really high price. And if you go to the history of sold items, you're gonna see some of these trains have been sold for really high price and other ones for lower price, and you can notice the difference. I mean, so anyways, now you're gonna see the next trains I'm gonna show you have been seen on my YouTube channel. I added a sticker to this train. Looking good. I'm Emily, 2013. That's Trackmaster 2. Unfortunately, this sticker is torn right here. I did not replace it. I had no chance to change it. So anyway, it's still for sale like this. This Emily had a lot of views only because I put the sticker. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos, and for those who understand, every train that I restored, modified, repainted adds a value to the trains. So you are getting the real thing you have seen on YouTube on my restored or fixed or modified train. You remember this cordon right here? I replaced the stickers, did the lining, I checked everything out, and I changed new wires, rewired everything. Go and see my videos and you will see more details on this. And on eBay it's on my account. It's back in toys. I'm gonna left the link below, so you can go directly to my items for sale. Anyway, you remember this stepney? I restored stepney. It was a real mess. You can see the video for those who have not seen it. And remember that this is missing the tabs because I did not have other stepney to restore, so it's missing the tabs, but it won't fall out. It's good. Go and watch my videos. I recall again. See on eBay these sold items, and you're gonna notice the prices that other sellers have on their trains. So I just add a little bit more of the price. I mean, of the price on the items, because featuring on my YouTube channel adds a little bit more of value. Remember these maybes? This was the yellow maybes, and it took me a lot of time to restore it. I put this for sale on high price, so I understand you guys will get scared trying to buy this and might say, oh no, I'm not gonna pay a lot of money for that train. But remember, this was featured on my channel and restored back from the dead, you know, back to life. Okay, remember this was a really mess inside. It took me a lot of time to fix it, rewire it, and it's working. I got fresh batteries. I did not have a chance to remove the stain because it's really deep in it, but anyways, this was fully restored. It's working pretty good, and I repainted the roof silver. Here is another restoration. I changed the battery contacts on Timothy, also seen on my YouTube. And I have seasons greetings coach. I changed the stickers, cleaned it up, everything, washed it, and repainted white the roof. Also featured on my YouTube channel. We have here a zero handle. This was fully restored. The motors too, stickers, lining, a lot of work on this. And remember, you might get scared, but I have a lot of collectors that they want my custom trains, but I'm keeping it for now. Maybe in the future, maybe in the couple next few days, I'm gonna put them for sale, because they still calling me and sending me messages that they want my trains. They also offer me for $150 for Dutches. And you might say, oh no, I'm not gonna pay. That crazy people. But I know there are some people that they collect and they are really interested on my trains, especially if they have been seeing on my YouTube channel, restored, refixed, or modified. Anyways, we have here Stanley for sale too. I could not find the missing wheel, middle wheel, so you remember this one was fully restored on YouTube too. On this one I did add white foot plate. I was showing you how to add the detail on YouTube, also for sale. And here is the last one for now. I got the duck. This was fully restored, new stickers, and you might remember it was a battery corrosion all over here, and I replaced the battery contact. Over here in the interior was, oh man, was terrible, but you know, it took me a day and a half on solution to clean the shell of the gearbox. Took a lot of time in an ultraviolet light. I'm going to show you one of these days how this works, but it takes a lot of time and I will not recommend you to do it. But anyways, because it's complicated. So everything is for sale. Remember, you might get scared of the prices, or you might say, oh, it's too high, blah blah blah. But remember, these trains have been featured on my YouTube channel until he except these ones. This one I just repaired, little cleanup, that's it. All the rest, some have been modified, others restored. So I really appreciate, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos and helping me. So I guess I've been helping you too, to show you how to fix your trains and entertain you watching my videos. So thank you very much. From tomorrow, next day, we are gonna start going back to restorations, fix repairs, and new custom trains. So stay tuned. Thank you guys very much and have a good day. Bye.